Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know how to share control panel access. Firstly, you have to go to Server.pro. On the main dashboard, you'll see a list of your servers. Locate the server you want to share. Then once you're inside, click the Share Access button under Admin on the left. In the Access Control section, locate the email input field. There you want to enter the email address of the user you want to grant access to. Then you can select if you want them to have full access. Keep in mind though that this does exclude server page, backups, share access, change location, and change plan. So you can rest assured your server will remain safe even if you give someone access. Below that, you can also select the specific access features they have to each service in your server. However, once you're ready, simply press Add User. Once added, the user will appear in the access list, and they will only have access to whatever features you've allowed them to have. If you need to revoke access, all you have to do is open the Access Control tab, find the user's email in the access list, and then click Remove. And that's it, the user will no longer have access to your server. For reference, this is what the shared user sees. On their Server.pro homepage, the server will appear under the Shared Servers section. They can click the Control Panel tab to manage the server just like the owner. However, they have restrictions like mentioned above. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.